Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. So I was receiving a lot of emails about if it is possible to hide your posts on Instagram or if there is a method to do so. So I thought, why not let this be my next topic for the video. So here I am to talk about how you can completely hide your post on Instagram. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So this is the only method using which you can hide your posts on Instagram, and I'm talking about posts, not stories. So for that, you have to go to your Instagram profile and select the post you want to hide. Alright. So here is the post. Now you have to tap the three dots icon right here at the top and you will see the option archive. So tap that and you can see that the post got removed from here. You can clearly see that I had 3 posts earlier, but now you can only see 2 of them. So if you will do this, no one would be able to check that post that you have just archived. Now in case you want that picture to reappear in your profile, you have to tap the menu icon at the top right side here, and then you have to tap the first option that says archive. Alright. Now here you have to select the drop down menu and then select the option that says post archive. Alright. So when you will tap that, you will see all the posts that you have hidden from people. Alright. So tap the picture and then again press the menu icon. You will get 2 options. Alright, so you have to tap the option show on profile. So you can see that the post has been disappeared from the archive section. Now you have to go back to your post and just refresh the page. Alright, so I'm going to refresh, and as you can see, the archive post is now visible to everyone. Alright, so that's the only method that lets you hide your post from people, and also hiding them will not affect your likes or comments. So there is no need to worry about that. So if you want to hide your post from a particular person, there is no genuine method for that. Alright. Now most of the people ask me that if there is a method using which they can hide their post from a particular person on Instagram. So there is no method using which you can hide your post from a single person. You can only use the archive option to hide your post from everyone on Instagram. Alright. So in case you want to hide your post from a particular person, the only option left is to block them, as blocking them, they will not be able to see your post and vice versa. Also, if you run a public account, your non-followers will be able to see all your posts and pictures. So in that case, you can make your account private if you don't want your non-followers to see your post. Alright, so only these methods are available to hide your post on Instagram. And in case you want to know how to hide your Instagram stories from someone, I can make a video on that as well. So that was all for today's video. Hope you found it helpful, and please be my subscriber for more such interesting and useful videos. I wish you a great day, and I will be back with my next video.